Welcome to Phone Transformer. In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to disable ads from WPS Office, so you can work distraction-free and enjoy a smoother experience. Now, let's get started. Step 1. First thing first, unlock your phone and open the WPS Office application. Make sure you are logged into your account because certain features, including ad management, may only be available when you're signed in. Logging in also ensures your settings and documents are synced securely. Step 2. In the menu, look for the Premium option located at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it to proceed. This section contains all the subscription plans and special features, so it's where you can access ad removal settings. Step 3. From the menu, please note there is currently no way to disable ads in free mode. The only way to remove them is by getting the Pro mode. To do this, tap on the free 3-day trial option. At this point, you'll be prompted to add your payment method. Once activated, the ads will automatically be removed, and you'll unlock all the premium features of WPS Office for a smoother, faster experience. Step 4. Alternatively, if you are using the web version of WPS Office, you can use ad-blocking browser extensions. These work by preventing advertisements from loading, giving you a cleaner interface without upgrading to premium. Make sure to install a trusted extension for the best results. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more simple and useful tech tutorials.